Morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Okay, good morning. Good morning, all of you. Happy Health Day to all of you, and Jyoti ma'am, happy Health Day.
Happy Health Day to ma'am also.
Same to you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, now, so today I'm going to discuss about something. Can you tell me what is the topic of the health talk today? Can you tell me what is the topic?
Ma'am, the World Health Day.
The talk. I'm talking about the health talk. It was given in the circular also.
Boost immunity.
Boost our,
Very
boost our
good.
immunity.
Yes, yes, we have to improve our immunity system. Yes. Now, where is that immunity system? It is inside. Yes, it is all in. It is there inside all the living organisms. All living organisms have an integral body system called immunity body system, which is very important to fight with the germs without medicines. We all don't want to we don't want to eat medicines. Do you want to eat medicines? Do you want to take medicines? You like medicines?
No,
Do you like?
ma'am. I am leading a free medical life.
Yes, nobody likes, medicines. And this immunity system can give us that power to fight with the germs and the viruses surrounding us. Okay. But this will not happen overnight. It will take weeks, maybe 3 weeks, 4 weeks. It all depends upon your dedication, how swiftly you have changed, you have adapted a lifestyle which can build your immunity system. Okay, so I am going to touch the very important part of our lifestyle, that is the food. Yes, so today I'm going to give you some mantras. So write down the first thing, that we are going to do soulful eating. Write down soul, SOULFUL, soulful eating. Okay. Now you all know that there are two types of cars depending upon fuel. Can you tell me what are those cars? What are those types of cars? Yes, beta. Any one of you? Bhavishya, you want to share something? You have raised hand. What are the two types of cars depending upon fuel we have?
Ma'am, petrol, diesel.
Wonderful, Bhavya. We have two types of car, petrol and diesel.
CNG also. CNG also.
CNG also. Now tell me, if in a CNG car, you put the petrol or the diesel, do you think the CNG car will work properly?
No, ma'am.
Maybe it will run, but it will not run that effectively. Yes. So just like car, our body is also a machine. It needs fuel. Okay. And that fuel, yes, it has to be the alive food. Now write down the next mantra. Second more important point is alive food. ALIVE, alive food. Now, when I say alive food, it means raw food. Do you all know the term raw food? What all things come in raw food? Yes?
Cucumber, carrot,
Very good. Salad, beetroot, vegetables. Yes.
tomato,
Yes. Yes.
all fruits.
Yes. Fruits, food, vegetables. Yes. Okay, so good. So you all know that what are the food items which comes under alive food? That is the raw food. We are going to involve more raw food such as salads, fruits, vegetables. At least 50% of your diet should be depending upon raw food. In fact, sprouts can also be, involved in your diet. Now, it is scientifically proven that if you eat more raw food, your immunity system will boost faster. Your focus, your concentration power, your state of mind will improve incredibly. Okay, so this is the second thing which you have to follow from today onwards. Now, the third point I will focus on right chewing. All of you write down right, RIGHT, right? Chewing, CHEWING. Now, what the students do in our daily life? because they are in hurry, they want to just finish with the food, they just gulp. Gulp means निगल जाना. हम क्या करते हैं, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी खाने को निगल जाते हैं, और उससे क्या होता है, पूरा का पूरा डाइजेशन लॉट, जो हमारा जो स्ट्रगल होती है डाइजेशन करने की, वो सारी हमारी बॉडी पार्ट्स के ऊपर आ जाती है. ठीक है. Our body parts, stomach and other organs, they really work hard to digest the food. Now we should not do that. Reason, after having even the delicious food, हम अच्छा सा खाना खाते हैं, उसके बाद भी हम tired feel करते हैं. We feel lazy after having good food. Why that? Because we are not doing right chewing. So from today onwards, you will chew your food rightly means you will do 50% of the digestion. अगर आप सही chewing करोगे, yes, 32 times, very good. So 32 times अगर आप food को chew करोगे, you will finish 50% of the digestion in the mouth itself. And your means that along with that, you are mixing good bacteria, good enzymes in that food. है ना, आपका food पूरा juicy बन जाएगा, which will be rich of good bacteria and enzymes, and when that juice enters into your body, your immunity power will improve. है ना, आपकी immunity power भी improve हो जाएगी, and आपकी body पे load नहीं आएगा digestion का. You will feel more energyful. After having lunch, you will feel that let me study for another 3-4 hours. ठीक है, so start doing right chewing from today itself. Now the last. Yes, Bhavya. Yes.
I have a doubt.
Beta.
Ma'am, if we will chew the food 32 times and with the speed, then what will happen?
Beta, point is when you are chewing 32 times, you are not doing it speedily. You are giving time to your food to chew. ठीक है, speedily comes when you are just gulping. You put a one bite and you just take it inside in 2 bites. Generally यही करते हैं बच्चे, हम 2 bites में हम खाने को अंदर ले जाते हैं. तो this is what I am saying. अगर आप speed में खाना खाओगे और आप उसको chew नहीं कर रहे हो properly, speed में खाओगे तो वो chew नहीं होगा. Right chewing का मतलब है 32 times आपको उसे chew करना ही है, ताकि bacterias mix हो सके, enzymes also get mixed with that food. ठीक है? So speed we will not connect with the right chewing. Okay. Now the last point is, yes, beta.
Ma'am, food should go in liquid form to the body.
Yes, liquid form in the sense it should be chewed. The solid food, उस solid food को हमें liquid form में convert करना है, then we will take it inside. Now the last important part of our daily routine is practicing yoga. Write down next mantra, practicing yoga. You know that Harvard University, have you heard this university name earlier, Harvard University?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's a prestigious university. Yes. So the Harvard University, they are researching on something. Why the yoga practitioners, they have a better survival rate. They are researching why the people who do yoga, they have better, survival rate. They can better fight with the viruses. I'm not saying that yoga is a treatment for any disease. I'm just saying that practicing yoga will improve your immunity. It will help you in fighting with the germs. Okay. Yes, Tuti, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Can you suit us the best timing for doing yoga?
Yes. Now, the best timing for yoga is always the early morning time. That is the sunrise. Before the sunrise, you should get up. You should start your yoga day with Surya Namaskar. Okay? And then you can move on with the breathing exercise. There are, ample of yoga exercises which, we have learned it in our previous classes also. And one small exercise I'm going to share with all of you today. Okay, this will improve your concentration. It will make you more aware and more focused. Yes, all of you are ready? All of you are ready? Okay, turn on the camera. I want to see how you are doing this activity. I want to see how you are doing this activity. So because my camera angle can't be shifted, I'm standing. All of you sit straight. Sit straight. If it's good, if you can sit on the mat, keeping your legs crossed and your back should be straight. Okay? Now what we are going to do, we will stretch our right hand thumb. All of you stretch your right hand thumb. Try to keep the right hand thumb in front of your eye level. आपका thumb का level कहाँ होना चाहिए? Tip eye level पे होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल straight. Keep your neck straight, head straight. Okay. Now I am going to move slowly my right thumb towards right side. अपनी right arm को right side में move करोगे, and that too slowly without twisting your neck. Ensure no twisting in the head, no twisting in the neck. Only the eyeball will catch the motion of the thumb. All of you are followed? How I am moving it slowly? I am just focusing on my eyeball on the right thumb, and look here, I have kept it straight. Okay, slowly you are going to bring the thumb to the right side. Keep your arm straight. What means whatever vision you are able to cover till that point, you keep your arm, you move your arm, and your eyeball only should be focusing on the thumb. Look here, this head and the neck, they are straight. They are not twisting. Okay, now we will return. We will return slowly. Keep following the motion of the thumb. My eyeball only following the motion. Okay? My eyeball only following the motion of the tip of the thumb. Now relax. So this thing we have done with right hand. What we will do with next? What should be the next step? Very good. With the left hand.
Left hand.
Yes, yes. Repeat this step with the left hand, keeping the thumb tip at the eye level. Now slowly move your thumb. Ensure that your neck and your head is not turning. Okay? It is only the eyeball. My eyes are only catching the thumb. Okay? Now we will return back. Once you have reached to the extreme left, now you will slowly return, following the motion of the thumb with your eyeball, okay, without turning neck. Now we have came here, okay, to the center. Now relax. You will feel more focused.
Ma'am.
Do you all feel more focused? Yes? Yes, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, if we move our thumb to extreme right or extreme left, then we can't able to see the tip of the
Yes,
thumb.
yes.
Only we have
Whatever side. It varies from person to person. If you are able to, extreme, whatever is your body able to see to extreme left or extreme right, you will accordingly adjust it. Okay? Slowly you will adapt to this yoga. So start practicing from today onward. So all of you enjoyed the health talk? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. We enjoyed a lot. And we were able to learn a lot from you.
Thank you. And you all have to follow the mantras I have given to you. Can you repeat those mantras with me? What was the first one?
I can tell.
Ma'am,
Like food.
Like doing, practicing yoga.
Like chewing and practicing
Like doing and practicing yoga.
yourself. All of you clap for yourself. Wonderful. Wonderful. I really wish all of you eat healthy, live long, and live strong. Yes, class? Thank you all of you for today.
Thank you so much for being
Thank
there,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you so much.